lift my eyes into the hill. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Father, Son, and the Spirit rise as they set the world in motion. The morning of the first sunrise, a symphony of golden sunlight dancing in the Father's eyes. He gazes at his masterpiece as all creation cries.
As you can tell, we are on Mount Bierstadt today, and what a beautiful day to be on Mount Bierstadt. We're here with Mitch and Jeff / Bob, and just loving it. This is Jeff Bob's first 14er. He just moved here from Michigan about a month and a half, 2 months ago or so. He's doing really good. He's going to do his first 14er today, there's no doubt about it. And what a great day to do it on. There it is, right behind me. I think. We're at about 13,700. There's the top right there. Not far to go. Mount Bierstadt, 14,060 feet. First 14er of 2021. And first 14er for Jeff.
That's right. It's incredible up here.
Congratulations. It's awesome. Good job. Mitchie, number 5. Let's go in. Looking straight south from here, there's Pikes Peak. And I'm gonna slowly pan this way. You'll see Mount Evans. There is the summit of Mount Evans. Straight ahead there, Longs Peak, Mount Meeker. Mummy Range off in the distance. Just looking off to the other side of Bierstadt here. This is the Sawtooth. This is the way you take. You go down the back side of that. And then you go right up that ledge, right in the center screen. Go to the top of that ridge and walk that ridge that whole way. All the way over to there, and there's the summit right there of Mount Evans. Standing out here, I wandered off a little bit. The summit was behind me here. That's up there. So this is not the way we came. I kept going. I went down the other side. So this is going towards the Sawtooth. And just wanted to see how steep this got. That is crazy steep. That's amazing. But you'd follow this whole ridge all the way down. And then all the way back up to the other side there, and then walk that ridge over there. But this is cool. This is really cool. That lake down there, beautiful. And the only other thing that's been out here other than me is a mountain goat. You're watching this, you gotta get up here. Bierstadt is an extremely doable mountain. Very doable 14er. Very busy, very popular. But you can do it. Why are we getting big dark clouds? Maybe we better head down. I didn't see this when I was coming down here, but somebody slid down. Somebody went for it. Somebody's over there. How about that? That's the way to do it, man. Slide down. What a riot. I hope they're okay. You gotta be able to stop. Hopefully they had their ice axes with them. Nice little thundercloud developing. So we are gonna head down. As much as hiking 121 doesn't like to leave summits, we just heard a little bit of a rumble out of there. So it's time to head down. One more summit in the books.
There it is again.
No, just before the rocks.
Long ways down.
Yeah. Here he goes. Up rocks.
I was hauling.
Yeah, you were. And we've come across another slide. Oh, goody. Isn't this awesome? Here we go. Woohoo! This is incredibly cool. Here's Mitchie. After a while, your cheeks get numb. Uh-oh, here comes your water bottle. It's coming down after you. Yeah, no, I went off track too, right? I was starting to go really fast. I went off track. We've come a long way. Quickly. Going down is just fast. It's just faster.
A lot of water.
Look at this. A dry path. And we've been walking down this trail for a while, walking through a stream. And we have reached the front of the stream. I don't know, for some reason this fascinates me. That we have been walking through a stream for a long, long time. And look at this, the front of it, the beginning of the stream. Right behind me is Mount Bierstadt. We were just up there 2 hours ago. Took us 2 hours to get down. And yeah, it's been a great day. Got a first time 14er in the group. And that's pretty awesome. And got down before those storms got us, as you can see back there. Some nice storms brewing up there. So we're gonna finish this off. We're hiking amongst the willows here. And all flat through here, easy peasy. And that's it for now. Until the next one, take care.
I lift my eyes into the help. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the